So yet again, we're about to get on it. Got a late start. Had some charging issues. But we've made our way to XRP Silent Killers event. We did this one last year, decided to do it again, turn another shootout, gonna see what we can do. Right now, we kind of got the charging issue fixed. You see this sitting over there, waiting on this chance to go down the track. Got a surprise for y'all too. See if I can get it to work though. You'll see that in just a second. So that first test pass in the books, it wasn't really all that good. Came back having more issues with the charging system, so trying to get that right. Hopefully we can get that right for the first round, and then hopefully it lasts through the rest of the races. So I guess we'll see. Difference between last time and this time is boost control. So second pass, turned it down a little bit, went straight down the track. So gonna go ahead and see what it do with maybe it's just a little bit more. And you see my boo-boo there going through the lanes. Glad that was a test pass and not the real thing. So we're gonna have to see what's up. Sound like they calling for us for the event though. So see if we can win something this time.
We got the spectator side. We got the medical on the side.
Well, shoot, it's past 1 o'clock. We still at it. First round, dude jumped, so I didn't go. Second round, got to buy. Now it's gonna be third round, getting my rematch from last event, and we're gonna see what we can do this time. Bad charge and all. Alright, so made it home. Really, nothing broke. So had a decent time. Didn't really even race nobody, really, you know. I first got jumped, had to buy run, then I jumped. So didn't have too much footage to put out there, but still want to show it is moving. And a couple of people noticed something different about that thing right there. So it's coming up. I'm gonna get this driver error thing out the way. Hopefully we can fix the car, get a couple of runs in before we end up going to a show from now on, so it's not like a fresh, hey, first time driving a car like this thing. Got a transmission swap coming. Sooner or later be able to do something with a trans brake, so that'll help out too. Still learning boost control. So it's a lot of stuff coming on, and I've already picked up the alternator. Hopefully get rid of that 10 volts going down the track. That's pretty low. I don't even know if my my fuel might have been all off and everything else, but you know, we'll figure all that out. So if you're into this kind of stuff, like, subscribe, share. You know, I ain't in it to make $1 million off YouTube videos, but just kind of sharing it with people that I know that can't see the car, don't live here. And then also connecting with a couple of new folks. So shoot, if you're into this kind of stuff, hit me up. Maybe I'll see you at the track. And if you got a car, maybe I'll really see you at the track. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just go ahead, check out this last little video of running that running a built, it was a little hatchback 2-door SUV, GMC or Chevy or something like that on slicks. You'll see, he beat me. But I wasn't far behind, and that was even after slipping in the beginning. But you'll see.